Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a Facebook hardware access error where it says that it cannot access the camera or microphone on your computer and that you'll need to allow microphone and camera access for video chats. And it might say an error occur when trying to get access to camera and or microphone. And then it says to make a call you need to turn your camera and microphone on. This will let people see and hear you during the call, and then you can turn these off later. So pretty straightforward process here, guys, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it and start by opening up the start menu. Type in camera privacy settings. Best match should come back with camera privacy settings, so go ahead and just left click on that. It says allow apps to access your camera. Make sure this is toggled in the on position. You want to scroll down underneath where it says choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your camera. You want to scroll down here. If you see any Skype or Facebook apps, you want to make sure they're toggled to the on position. And honestly, guys, that should probably be about it. So again, yeah, if you saw Messenger or something like that, you want to make sure you toggle that to the on position. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.